Islam. Hi. Let me tell you a little bit today about our freedom struggle and a little bit about why we failed. Because in 1990, we were almost there. We were there. We almost got freedom. But what happened then? Let me tell you about it. This whole freedom struggle, it was started by secular people, not religious. Not at all by Muslim religious especially. The people who opposed it was Jamaat Islami. They were the people who opposed it, really. Gilani was the biggest opposer of freedom struggle. He used to stand for elections. Mirwais Khandan, they used to stand for elections. They were not pro-freedom. They were not pro-freedom. They were pro-Indians. Yes, let me tell you, brothers, now. Then, we secular people, we started freedom struggle. And they understood, yes, it's going to happen. And soon they realized it's going to happen. What they did, they changed their plans. They joined the freedom struggle. But once they joined freedom struggle, what they did, they started killing secular people. Completely. They completely removed them from the Kashmir. Name it, from Abdul Ahad Gur to any, you just name them. All were killed by Muslim fundamentalists, Muslim extremists. And who they were killing? Muslims, not Hindus, not Christians, not Jews. They were killing Muslims. But the Muslims who they thought they are already somewhere. And why I am talking about it now? There must be some reason. Yes, there is a reason. If you realize, since 1 year, there has been a lot of going on this e-protest. We started this e-protesting on Facebook, on YouTube, on bloggers, and blah, blah, blah. But then what happened? The moment those same guys, they understood there is something happening. What they did, they joined it. Welcome, that's very good. But what was their next step? Next step was something that wasn't good. And let me tell you what was that. Next step, what they did is, they worked hard on it, that only we should remain in web. And for that, before anything else, they started hacking each other's profiles and deleting, if somebody created a page about Facebook, deleting each other's pages. Come on, guys, what are you doing? What's happening? Man, we are nowhere. We are nowhere. We have a long way to go. Let's be serious now. We have a long way to go. If we want to win this fight, against India, against Pakistan, we have to be united, and we can't be in the competition. The competition game we have entered, that must end now. Please get serious and keep only one thing in your mind, that we have to work for freedom of Kashmir. Not for you, not for me, not for any organization, and not for any corrupt leader. We only have to work for freedom of Kashmir. I hope you understand it. If you don't understand, then there is no hope. Let me be frank, there is no hope. In 1991, 1992, we were almost there. We were there to get freedom. But that was exactly the time when all the organizations, they started fighting with each other, because they thought, now we are winning. So as we are winning, so now let's remove others from the Kashmir. But that doesn't happen. If Kashmir gets freedom, everyone has a share in it. The person may be Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jew. I'm a Christian. I can proudly say I'm a Christian, but I'm also a pro-freedom fighter for Kashmir. So now understand it, please, and only work for freedom of Kashmir. Not for any other thing but freedom of Kashmir. Thank you very much. God bless you. And God bless Kashmir. God bless Kashmir, independent Kashmir. Thank you. God bless you.